This video is intended for all DataRemote customers. This video is intended for you to follow along once logged into your portal. So as you can see in the Sites tile, I have no sites down and no sites in the alarm state. To access your DataRemote services, click Unified Communications. A list of your sites and services will be listed. For all DataRemote and Digital Line Backup customers, here to the right, you can see whether this site is up. It can also state down or impaired. We'll show you examples of this later. To access your DataRemote devices, click the kebab three-dot option and click Devices. A list of your devices will be listed with its model number, SKU, serial number, the MAC address, the number of ports, the status of that device, and also the ESN. To access a specific device, click its pop-out window. Here on this specific device, you can see the line ports, which ones are enabled, the status is up, and the line phone number assigned to each port. Fusion Connect has a monitoring aspect of your device. So if your device is up, the status will state up on the previous pages that we've shown you. However, a device can also have a status of down or impaired. Here's an example of a device that's up. Once logging into your portal, just like we did a second ago, there's no down or alarmed sites. So click Unified Communications to access your devices. From here, you'll see your site and devices with the status up. To access the device, click the kebab icon and choose Devices. Once you have a list of your devices, to access a device, click its pop-out window. Within that device, again, you can see the line ports that are enabled, the line ports that are up with the phone number assigned to them. An example of a device that's down. You'll notice on your overview page, site you have is down with the down arrow. Also, you'll have that same down arrow in Unified Communications. Click Unified Communications to access your devices. The device that's down will state down as a status. Click the kebab and choose Devices. A list of your devices will be present. A device with the status down, click its pop-out window to access that device. Here you can see that the device is down. Down meaning all ports are down. And please note, if a device is fully down, meaning all ports are down or loss of power, you'll be emailed an auto-generated ticket. That ticket can be found on your overview page once logging into your portal in the Tickets tile. Click Active Tickets. The category will be Proactive Monitoring, subcategory Customer Line Down. You can open your ticket by clicking the ticket ID to read the description of that ticket. You can add a comment and escalate the ticket at the top right. By clicking Add Comment, your name will be present. Add your comment. You can add a file attachment up to 15 meg by clicking Select File and click Submit. Once you click Submit, a ticket touch will be added to your ticket. A ticket touch meaning a note to that ticket going to the technician that's working this ticket. When a device is up and online, however, one or more ports are not being registered, the device will show in your overview page as an alarm status. So in your sites, if you have an alarmed site, you also see the caution symbol in Unified Communications. To access the device, click Unified Communications. Again, a list of your sites and services will be listed. For ones that state impaired, this is an alarm status. Click the three-dot menu and choose Devices. A list of your devices will be listed. For a device that states impaired, click its pop-out window. Once you've accessed an impaired device, you'll see the ports that are down and the ports that are up. Also, we want to mention you're able to add for a specific device, device location information, as well as device notes for a particular device. To do that, you'll access your Unified Communications in your Services tile. A list of your sites and services will be listed. Click the kebab and click Devices for that particular site. A list of your devices for that specific site will be listed. Click a device's pop-out window. Here you can see on the top device location information and device notes. If you click Edit at the bottom of your page, you can add specific device location and device notes. Once the information is added, click Apply to save this information. So logging into your portal on your overview page, if you have a site down and it's under Communication, the down arrow, you'll access that site by clicking Unified Communications. And note that a device down will also auto-generate its own ticket, and you'll access it in the Ticket section by clicking Active Tickets. If a site is flagged as alarmed, it can mean one of your DataRemote devices are impaired, meaning one or more, not all, of those ports are not registered.